Hello friends, in this video we are going to be looking into how to generate the basic extend HTML report using extend to version. So there are four versions available. Why we are going to be uh, check the old version? Because of basic understanding by beginners. Okay, now you can go to Chrome. So there is official site which is available for extend report. You just open that one, extendreports.com. This is the official site. You just open the site. So here you can go to documents. Here you can see version 2, 3, 4, 5. There are four versions available. Here we have to go to check with version 2 for understanding, for basic understanding by beginners. Okay. Here you have to see the two languages available, which is .NET Java. You have to choose Java because we are using Java language. In left hand side, you have to see lot of options available. Here you can select examples. This is the basic usage example. So first you have to copy this whole code. After main method, inside main method, what code found, you just copy this one. Go to Eclipse, you just create one class file, which is I'm going to be given name as extend basic HTML report to 1. Okay, just create main method. There you can paste what you have copied from extend report. Okay, here you can see throwing some error because we need to add some Maven dependency for this extend report. Okay, so here before that we have to create one reference variable, right? Go back that site, you just copy this private static one. Okay, go to Eclipse, you just paste above. Anyway, that object we called here, but still we are getting error this libraries. For that we need to add Maven dependency, right? Go to Chrome. Here you can type as extend to version, or else better you can go to here this site. Here you can go to this, what is the new 2.1, or else you can go to the current version. Here you can see this is the current version of this extend to Maven dependency version. Okay, you just copy this dependency, go to Eclipse, open pom.xml, you just add this one. Okay, so after adding this Maven dependency, just align Control A, Control I. After saving this Maven dependency, the build process is completed. Go back to the class file. Here move on cursor on this extend report. Here you can see import extend report, which is com.relevantcodes.extend reports. Make it sure this is the right or wrong. So go back Chrome, again come back that basic usage, sorry, example. Refresh it, examples. See, this is the right package, right? Back to Eclipse, you just import here. So again you need to import this extend test, the log status, this one. Okay, now we are successfully updated all the packages after adding this Maven dependency, right? So anyway we should give file path here. So simply I have to give an extend basic HTML. Okay, dot HTML. This is my HTML file name. Come to here, there is one method is available, which is report with a snapshot. Here I have to give screenshot path. Simply I have to provide screen dot png because the image should be saved as JPEG or PNG format, right? In that case I am going to be give here PNG. So now the file name path we have to update it. If you want to path, you can mention path, or else simply you can put as file name .html. It is more than enough. okay, for basic understanding. Okay, so what is this command end test? This is the end the extend test. What is the flush? Which is flush writes everything to the log file. Okay, after what are the log uh, statement you provided here, those things it will be uh, stored in this extend test. Okay, so now I'm going to be run this class. What happened? Let us see. Let us run. It won't print any console because we didn't provide anything syswo. We have to give test.log. This log, everything going to be stored inside extend report. Now I'm going to be refresh. Before refresh, I'm going to be show you there is no file for which is same as extend basic HTML, right? I'm going to be refresh now. See the extend basic HTML generated successfully. See my first test. Go to here. So if you want to change anything, I just change here also. Basic extend HTML report. So sample demo for extend to version of HTML report. This is what I added now. So before what we have seen, my first is sample description, which is copy from here, right? So if you want to add anything, you just modified here, okay, as per your scenario. Again, I'm going to be execute now. Anyway, I have to remove this one. Okay, I'm going to be run this because I want to show you the first result. If you want to run again, it will be updated. Okay, I'm going to be refresh it. That will be updated here. Okay, without deleting, it won't update it. Yeah, it should update it. I will show you that one also. I'll just put a report sample like that. I added 2 words. Let us see. Without deleting, I'm going to be execute again. Done. I'm going to be refresh this one. See, report sample. It will add it, right? So this is the way you should create HTML report. This is the basic things. Okay. Thank you guys.